Hey compassionate carnivores, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make 6 carnivore ground beef recipes. We're going to start off with the carnivore beef bites in the air fryer. It's so simple and easy. You just take a wooden spatula and you take some chunks and you throw it in there. We do 350 degrees for a few minutes and then it's cooked up. So simple and easy. We're just going to take a little bit. I'm just doing small servings because me and my family are going on a trip for me and my sister's birthday and I don't want it sitting in the fridge, so we're gonna eat it all today. And then you just do that and that's literally it. And you can cook up a whole pound of this and it cooks up so nice. I'm just gonna do it for 5 minutes and then I check it and then I flip it. The second one is my absolute favorite, carnivore meal. It's great for meal prep. I call them power muffins. You can add cheese, you can add bacon, but I'm just going to be doing eggs and ground beef. I already preheated my oven to 350 degrees. I have this big jumbo muffin pan. I'm going to be doing 5 eggs. Oh, what's that? What happened? Hey, the shell's good for you. I'm using this, it's Independence Arc. Our whole freezer is filled with them. I'll leave the link in the description below. This third one I'm making is my favorite. It's pretty straightforward. It's just crispy ground beef. I cook it up with butter and then I use thick Maldon salt and it's so delicious. I'm gonna heat up your cast iron skillet. Cast iron skillets is absolutely game changer on carnivore because it doesn't have Teflon and a bunch of additives. Most pans have Teflon and chemicals in it that stay in your body forever. So this is game changer. We cook everything in it: eggs, fried eggs, steak, bacon. We're gonna let this heat up a little bit. Look at that. Little beef bites.
That was 4 minutes.
Probably let it go for 3 more minutes. And then you just chop it up. I'm gonna add this big chunk of butter. It gives it so much flavor. I like my ground beef really crispy, and again, I'm doing single servings. Okay, we'll check on our little bites. Ooh, that's really good. I'm gonna take them out and put it on a plate. These are so delicious. Look at that. That was so simple and easy. People say, I don't have time for carnivore. Carnivore's too hard. I can't cook. I literally just chopped it off and clicked the button. Now we're making Bill Knott's famous bacon wrap burger. So I'm gonna take the rest of this, and it's pretty simple and straightforward. Just roll it into a ball. Boom. You gotta put an indent in the middle, otherwise it'll come out as a big ball. And now I'm gonna take bacon and wrap it. Woo. Okay, now we're gonna put this in here. And every single time I cook something, like I said, I do it for 5 minutes and then I check on it. I'm cooking at 390 degrees. And we're gonna start it for 5 minutes. This is all buttery and it smells delicious. I just wanna get it nice and more crispy. So we're gonna let this cook up. Okay, the next one is meatballs. Now you can make this however you want. You can add little chops of bacon, you can add cheese, you can add ham, whatever you want. I'm just gonna do ground beef meatballs because I'm not doing cheese anymore and I haven't been eating much bacon. So we're gonna make little meatballs. Boom. I guess I could wrap a little piece of bacon on it. I'm gonna actually do that. Bacon wrap meatballs. Look at that. We're gonna take our beef tallow. I'll leave the link down in the description below for this. I got it on Amazon, but if you can, go to your local butcher or farmer to support local. We're putting on beef tallow so it doesn't stick at all to it. A lot of people in my last video said, yeah, but this is a bad thing. I forgot what it is. Non-stick, but it still does stick every single time I did it without. So use beef tallow. Boom. And then we're gonna sprinkle some ground beef in here. And then this always falls to the bottom, so it's like a crust on the bottom. It's got that buttery deliciousness in it. And then we're gonna pop this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. I usually do 20 minutes because I like the top to get nice and crispy. I'm just gonna pop the meatballs in here actually with it. What could go wrong? The bacon grease should be enough for it not to stick. Boom. These should take about 15 minutes. And now we wait. Today's video is sponsored by Beast Mode Soap. It's not only important what you put in your body, but what you put on your body. Your skin absorbs 60 to 70% of what you put on it. Goes right into your skin. Beast Mode Soap has natural ingredients and it's really beneficial. I've been using this for a long time now. My whole family uses it. My dad uses this one. It is the Forest Ash Soap. I love that it smells good. When you get out of the shower, you can smell it on your skin, and he even uses it in his hair. He had really bad dandruff where I'd always have to wipe it off on the back of his shirt, and this has been game changer for it. I have really sensitive skin where anything I put on my skin, it breaks my skin out. This is really good on my skin because it has clean ingredients and it keeps my skin nice and hydrated. I'll leave the link down in the description below. I have a special little discount for you guys. But yeah, beast mode soap. One more thing, if you guys like the shirt that I'm wearing in this video, Stronger Than Yesterday, my uncle and I designed it. I'll have a link in the description below, and my sister Katie and I make 100% natural whipped tallow body butters, link in the description below. And this is what it looks like, so I'm gonna do 5 more minutes. This next one is my favorite. This is absolute game changer too. If you guys have kids, and a lot of people say that I can't cook eggs for my kids in the morning, you can get a waffle maker. This cooks up in 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to put a little bit of ground beef with my eggs, so I'm gonna do 2 eggs. Boom, and then the same thing, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of butter in it for flavor. This is nice and heated up. And now we wait. Boom. Ground beef waffle, there you have it. You can make chaffles with cheese, you can add a tiny bit of heavy cream to it, and then it makes it nice, big, and fluffy. I always have a problem because I go like this and I press the machine down. You don't want to press the machine down because otherwise it flattens it and it doesn't make it nice and fluffy. We're gonna flip this burger. This is what the Bill Knot burger looks like, bacon wrap burger. It turned out perfect. That was so simple and easy to make. And this is the waffle, look at that. So simple and easy to make again. Ooh, crispy. This has so much flavor. I'll do a taste test for this. Look at that, buttery and crispy. And then we take our thick Maldon salt. I'll leave the link down in the description below. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at all that butter in there. Do you hear that crunch? Then we got our air fryer beef bites. That's really good. Look at this. Look at that. These are my absolute favorite. If you do cheese, you can add cheese and make it cheesy. You could add ham. You could add bacon. The top is nice and crispy and the inside is fluffy. Whenever I make these with ground beef, I usually add a ton of it and then it falls to the bottom. And then the bottom's like all ground beef, but I didn't make enough of this up. And then we got our bacon. Look at that, so nice and crispy. Hot, that's really good. Cheers. Fantastic. Ooh. That is so good. I need another bite. Can I show you my teeth right here?
No.
That is how you make 6 carnivore ground beef recipes. Super simple and easy. Comment down below if you guys have any more ideas. I have a lot more ideas too, so let me know if you want more videos like this. But please subscribe as it really helps me out and it helps YouTube push my videos. So it may stumble upon someone's page who has anxiety or depression or is just struggling and it might completely transform their life by finding carnivore. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the very best today and always bye. Peace.